and next up is Miss Anne-Marie Ursino, someone who I call friend, and Anne-Marie started at Keller Williams.
And I really see the open houses for us as how we can feed our business, especially when we're new.
And next up is someone who has been in the real estate industry in Central Florida since 2004.
Commonality builds trust. So if you got the commonality, you got the reason to call back, the odds of you converting them later on during the week are very high.
This is how you feed your business. And this is how your business has grown.
Right? So open houses produce a lot of listings. The key is how do you do that? If there was a time to do open houses, now is it. You're going to meet someone, you're going to engage, you're going to connect, and then you just need one. You need one good lead to make that day worth it.